By age 5, Christy knew what she wanted to do.
One of the things I love about pediatrics is having that long-term relationship and seeing kids grow and flourish.
The impact that Dr. Canody has on the BayCare health system is beyond St. Joe's Children's. She's very passionate about BayCare kids, and that's caring for children across all 5 counties that we serve and beyond.
Dr. Canody is integral to advancing all of the initiatives and everything that has to do with the pediatric service line.
Kids really love her, and they feel comfortable around her.
I think I'm very lucky in that I've been able to incorporate what I do with who I am.
Dr. Canody is the most compassionate and caring physician that we know in the pediatric space. She loves kids and she wants the best for them.
She tells me that there's nothing she's more honored to do than be a doctor.
Dr. Canody is so full of energy. She probably has enough energy for, I would say, about 10 people.
She will start when the sun comes up and work until the sun comes down.
Christy remembers everybody's names and everybody's conditions. It's baffling to me that she can do that. And that is a personal care trait that you just don't find everywhere.
There is not a care plan, there's not a strategic initiative, there is not a power plan that she doesn't have her fingers and her pulse on.
Dr. Canody is such a champion for BayCare Kids on our sleeves and children's mental health in general, and it's something that I think I aspire to someday be able to replicate in my work, and I think that she's an inspiration for all.
She's so much more advanced and multitask oriented than I could ever be.
She really does infiltrate this fabric of patient care that goes so deep, and it's complex, and there's so many people involved.
She's just always there for every patient in her practice.
She's done so much for my family, so I can only imagine how many other families she has touched.
I see her an influence on the way I work and how I want to be as a person one day. Not a doctor, but just like my work ethic every day.
She's an administrator, community leader, innovator, reads data so that the stuff that she's doing is evidence-based and not just on her own opinion.
She can speak to parents and children all the same and communicate with them on a level that's easy to understand while also being clinically significant and accurate.
It doesn't feel like you're going to the doctors. It feels like you're going to talk to a friend, and that's basically every time we have to go.
For our pediatric residents, when I want them to be able to see adolescent patients, I have them go work with Dr. Canody in her clinic, because her patients have stayed with her until they are older, 18 or 20, because they love seeing her and working with her.
Dr. Canody really gives all of herself to this community. I think it goes deeper for her than her profession. She truly cares about the children that she serves and those that she doesn't even know.
She's a part of our family, you know. She's always there for us, and we just love her. She's always there.
This award is absolutely humbling. And to everybody that's been here, that's guided me on my journey, all the people in the health system who saw something in me, who they felt was worth investing in, everything from speaker training to one more board meeting to help us push something through, they have all been just phenomenal. So I'm here because of them, and I'm here because of the patients, because that's really what I strive to do in my career. And I'm just so thankful.
Oh, Dr. Canody, it has been an absolute honor and a privilege to work with you. I know of no other physician who is more deserving than this award.
I was enamored by you when I first met you, and that's evident by you caring for my own children. Thank you for all you do, for all those we serve, and know how much we appreciate you.
It has meant the world to me to be able to work alongside you and with you.
Hi, Mom. I love you. I'm very proud of you. Thank you for everything you do and everything you give to the family.
You are the pillar of our family. You are the pillar within BayCare, and it's such an honor for me as a husband to see that others recognize that on such a grand scale.
Dr. Canody, you know from the bottom of our hearts that we love you and we appreciate everything that you've done for our family. Thank you.